Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about word end instruction. How we can use the word end instruction in the INVT PLC. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software, and here we will take one execution, an example x0, and next we will be type WAND when you type, and next we take some data registers, an example D0 and D2, and next we will be take the D10 for example, and click enter. What's the meaning of this command? Word end means this will be end instruction of the full form means look like. If you like to be see, we will be go here and click it on this one, and after you can press the F1, and after you will be get the function instruction. When energy flow is failed, apply end on S1 and S2 and assign the result to the D register. When X0 on, apply end on D0 equal with D2, after you will be get this answer. So practically, how can this command will be working in the binary? If you are using the data registers, you can use this binary. An example, we will type it here 2 for example. Here we will be type the 2, and this next data register also will be type the 2 and click enter. And this first we have to this download this program into the PLC. We not download this one. Now we will be write the value 2, and here second also will be type the 2 and click enter and click OK. And now as I execute the X0, after you can see this is answer is 2. What is this 2? I can explain. This 2 is basically, what is this? This is also working in the binary form. This is not in the decimal. If you like to be used in the decimal, you have to be used here. One more open, I will branch I will open, and you can see in the basic instruction, you can see here the end instruction. You can use this one. Later on I will also explain this one how it works. Yani this is already we used, but with the help when we use this W end word end instruction. So this 2 plus 2 is what's the answer 2. How this answer is come? Let's check. For an example, this is 2 is equal with, we have to be check this binary first. I opened already. This is our converter in the Google. We will type here the 2 and converter, and you can see what's the answer of the 2, 1 0. So an example, this is the 1 0 is answer. So next also we type the 2, so equal how much binary? This is same 10, and now if you like to be and enter, and here we will be take if some lines, no problem, and here you can see the answer will be take 0, answer is 0, and 1, answer is 1. In the binary, when you counts this one, when this up value and down value will be same, after this will be answer same, and this is one value is one value, means this will be energized. This bit will be high. If this is 1 also and this one is also 1, after our bit is high, 1 means high, and this is answer how much coming 1 0. So 1 0 answer how much in the binary? You can already here see the 2 of the decimal of the binary is 10. So this is 1 0, cannot say the 10. This is a 1 and 0. So one more example we will be see. For an example, here we will type the 5, and here we will be type the 6 for an example, and click enter, click OK, and as we will be press the X0, after you can see answer is 4 coming. Why this 4 coming? Let's now again we will be check this one. This is our first answer is the first digit we put 5 and second digit we put 6. So 5 of the binary, how much? We will go to the our converter. This is here, we will type the 5 and convert this value. How much value is coming? 101, 101, 101. And this is the 6 number is how much coming? We will check again. This is our 6 number, and when we convert this is 110, 110, 110. So now what's the answer? One downside is because of if one is 1 bit, another is 0, you cannot make the high. Its answer is also 0. And next, if this one is 0 and this one is 1, also cannot make the execution, also 0. So this one upside is 1 high and this downside is also high. So our answer is what? High, 100. So 100 answer is in the binary 100. How much decimal? We can check it here. For an example, our answer we get the 4. So the 4 of the binary is how much? You can see 100. So means this way you can use this command, any AND instruction. When you like to use AND instruction, when you put the value here and here some value coming, and after you can immediately moves the value into the next data register. Look like AND instruction. If we use this AND instruction, I will go it here, and you can see this is the AND instruction. If we will take for an example here, this is 1x0, and one more I will take the instruction, AND instruction here. This we will be take for an example x1 and click enter, and output we will be take one for an example y0, and I download this program into the PLC. And after you will be say, if we press this one x0, it will be not perform the on our output. You can see this is nothing high y0, but if we press this both x0 and x1, after you can see our output will be energized. Because of AND instruction means to both x0 and x1, if high, after your output will be on. So for this W and for what use? Yani if you long values like to be make it on and off, it will be works in the binary. And if you like to in the bit works, after you can make it look like here x0, x1. Next also how much you like to be make it in the AND instruction, you can choose. An example here, you type maybe LD x2, after LD x3, after if you type out y0. So when you OUT, when you type after, it will be get. When this 4 bits will be complete energized, after you can energize your y0, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this W AND instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.